Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones review. Real proof the spatial audio actually delivers.
Remember those Sunday nights when I am doom scrolling on the plane home, a kid is kicking my seat, the engine is roaring, and my old headphones just leak everything in? I land feeling like I have been through a blender. That used to be me every single week. Type same if travel noise still hijacks your mood. Drop your worst flight story below. I read every one. That low-frequency rumble literally vibrates in my chest, gives me the tight jaw tension headache, and I know the second I land, I am already behind. But imagine slipping on something that just deletes it all and hands me back calm. No apps, no rituals, no extra effort. Stay with me for 30 more seconds. Your peace is closer than you think.
Here's the accidental part. I only grabbed the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones in Desert Gold because the black was sold out. Best mistake ever. That same week, I had a client pitch at 2 a.m. after a red-eye. The hotel air conditioning was rattling, the neighbor was snoring through the wall, and I was toast. I put these on, CustomTune did its little chirp, and suddenly everything clicked in under 10 minutes. The spatial audio pulled the music out of my skull and floated it in the room. Chills, actual chills. Quiet mode absolutely destroyed the air conditioning hum. Immersive audio made Spotify feel like a live venue, and the plush cushions let me forget I was wearing anything for hours. Aware mode saved me when room service knocked. The crystal clear microphones made the client call sound like I was in a studio, and the battery still had 40% left after a 14-hour day. The Desert Gold just looks expensive in the best way. People literally stop me in airports. These are not just headphones. They are a cheat code for sanity.
So the real magic is how everything compounds. I am never fighting noise, never adjusting fit, never charging midday, never sounding muffled on calls, and every song feels brand new because the soundstage is massive, yet intimate. A top audio reviewer said it best: the most convincing head-tracked spatial audio we have heard for everyday music. It works with everything. Market data backs it up. Bose still owns the premium active noise cancellation segment because people do not switch once they try CustomTune. One creator, a Marquise Brownlee-style tech guy, told me straight up, "I have tested everything in 2024. These keep winning for flights and editing." My own take: I honestly reach for them even when I'm home alone now. Music just hits different. Yes, they are premium priced, but I have wasted more on good enough headphones that hurt after 2 hours or died on long trips. These removed stress I did not even know I was carrying. That is why thousands of frequent flyers and creators will not stop talking about the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones right now. If I'm still on the fence, tell me in the comments what's holding me back. I'll reply. Bottom line, the deepest win is walking off a 10-hour flight or finishing a brutal workday, actually feeling human again. Calm, recharged, and maybe even smiling because my playlist just slapped harder than ever. Join the thousands of us who finally get real silence and real immersion wherever we go. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Just click and treat yourself. No pressure at all. If they are for me, life gets quieter and better instantly. If not, no big deal. Either way, talk soon, friend.